A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe. Welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this morning, let us talk about a suspected armed robber who was shot and killed by the police. So this is a developing story, and it has been reported widely on social media, and Newsday has it. It was reported yesterday, 10th January 2024. So the National Police spokesperson, Assistant Commissioner Ponyat, said that the suspect, Godfrey Njoromore, died on admission at Parinyatwa Group of Hospitals in Harare after sustaining injuries during the shootout. So, a suspected armed robber died yesterday following a shootout with police in Nyatsime, Chitungwiza. National Police spokesperson, Assistant Commissioner Ponyat, said the suspect, Godfrey Njoromore, died on admission injuries from the shootout. The shootout followed a robbery on December 2 last year at a house in Zengeza 5 Chitungwiza, where 8,164, 2 laptops and 3 cell phones, among other valuables, were stolen. One suspect, Benjamin Chipiri, was apprehended by the public and handed over to the police, while other 2 suspects escaped. Chipiri later implicated Njoromore. On January 6, 2024, detectives from CID Homicide acted on received information and tracked Godfrey Njoromore to Nyatsime, Chitungwiza, where he was shot on the thigh after trying to evade arrest, Nyate said in a statement. So this is what happened, and subsequently, Godfrey Njoromore was taken to Parinyatwa Group of Hospitals and died upon admission. So the Zimbabwe Republic Police applauded the public for supplying useful information to the police and reiterated that they are not going back in the fight against armed robbery syndicates. And these involve both local and foreign suspects. That is what they said in a statement. So, to those who have been victims of armed robbery, they understand the reason why these people should be wiped out of the society, why these people should be locked up, and why these people should kill you. Those who are sympathizing with these criminals, I don't know, but to those who know, we have experienced these people, they understand what I'm talking about. A lot of people are living with trauma up to this day because of these robberies. They do not even care. Imagine you have worked for years, then somebody just come to collect what you have worked for years. When unopedza mari yacho achiitika nemagirlfriend achinonowawa. All those issues are heartbreaking, honestly. So this is what the police did. We do not know what other people think, but we made a decision to bring this story. Thank you very much for coming. Please keep on subscribing, commenting, and sharing.